It can be confusing when you notice that your clothes leave the machine worse than when they went in. One of the most common complaints from homeowners is washing machines leaving brown marks on clothes. This is typically caused by one of 4 issues. Cause 1. Detergent and fabric softener. The biggest culprits of brown marks on clothing are 2 common laundry products: laundry detergent and fabric softener. When there's an excess of laundry detergent in your machine, fabric softener combines with it to form a waxy sludge known as scrud. This most commonly occurs when you habitually use cold wash cycles, as your detergent may not dilute properly before mixing with the fabric softener. However, it can also come about by merely using too much laundry detergent in each wash. You can eliminate any scrud in your machine using dishwasher tablets. Dissolve 2 to 3 dishwasher tablets in hot water, add the mixture to the drum, close the door, and then run the hottest cycle available. Cause 2. Rust. Unfortunately, your washing machine is an optimal environment for rust to develop. The moisture inside the machine helps iron and oxygen combine to form iron oxide. Rust in the washing machine can be caused by general aging, in which case it might be time to replace your machine. It can also be caused by trapped items like pennies and paper clips. If this is the case, finding and removing these items should fix the issue. Alternatively, it might be caused by minerals in the water reacting with chlorine or oxygen bleach. If you suspect this is the case, try avoiding bleach-based products and see if this fixes things. Cause 3. Greasy residue. Every time you use your washing machine, a small amount of residue will be left behind in the drum. This greasy residue is the dirt and grime from your laundry that isn't drained away at the end of your machine's cycle. The easiest way to fix this issue is to clean the drum. You can do this by running your washing machine through an empty cycle at the hottest temperature possible. You can add a washing machine cleaning product to the cycle and then wipe the drum and door seals with a clean cloth once it's finished. Cause 4. Mould and mildew. The final thing that may be causing the brown marks on your clothes is mould and mildew. If there are patches of mould in your washing machine, they will leave stains on your clothes whenever the laundry comes into contact with them. In most cases, you'll be able to remove any traces of mould or mildew from your washing machine by cleaning it with white vinegar. However, your washing machine's gasket is likely faulty if the mould keeps coming back. In this instance, a new seal must be fitted, else the problem will continue to reoccur. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more laundry, washing machine and home care tips. Thanks for watching.